Good morning, students. Today is Wednesday, May 27th, and today's goals are to research your chosen explorer from yesterday, to fill out your note sheet completely, and then if you have time, start creating your explorer's resume or fakebook profile. So first thing you need to do is open your notes document from yesterday. That can be found in assessments and looks like this. Now you should have put the name of your explorer in here yesterday, and so now all you need to do is say, yes, I have opened my notes document. And then you open the Explorer Research Options piece of or document, and you are going to, so let's just say I picked Juan Rodriguez Cabrillo. I would take the time now to read through the articles, figure out where he was born, what was his family, etc., what was he famous for, and read this thoroughly. Take any notes that are important and put them into my Explorer's note sheet. I would then go and check to see if there are any other links for him. Yes, there are. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to read the next article as well and take any more notes and put them in my document here. And finally, you'll notice some of the explorers also have Newsela articles. So if your explorer has Newsela article, you should also take notes from that. Okay, so that is the next step. You are going to be taking notes, filling out this entire note sheet, and then once that is done, marking that as complete. Finally, if you end up having a little bit of time left over, you are going to start beginning your project, which, remember, you have two options. One is the resume. This is my example resume. It looks like this. And the other is a fake book or Facebook profile. Now, remember, the resume is a lot more straightforward and just fact. And the Facebook profile is an extension. So you're going to take the facts and then apply them by saying, like, well, what do I know about this person, and what does that tell me about maybe groups that they would have joined if they had a Facebook profile, or events that they would have attended, what their likes would be, and so forth. So that's why this is a little bit of an extension. You do need to provide pictures for each person. So you have hopefully come up with your idea of which one you want to do. And that's the last thing you need to do. Just go ahead and look in your assessments folder again. So in assessments, you have been assigned both the template for the Facebook profile and the template for the resume. And these are the blank ones that you each got a copy of these. So obviously you're just going to focus on the one that you want to do. So if you decided I'm going to do the Facebook profile, you only open that one. And then again, below here will be the document where you can start putting in your information. If you decided to just do the resume, you would only focus on that. Okay, so you are assigned both of them, but you only need to pick and open the one that you chose. So you can get going on that. Just a reminder, you will have all day tomorrow for class time to be working on finishing up this project. I think that's it. If you have any questions, remember to drop in to one of our drop-in times from 9 to 10 or 1 to 2, and happy researching.